Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today is December 13th, which means that there is 12 days till Christmas. So I was thinking about doing, instead of Vlogmas, because I am in finals right now and that's just a lot on my plate, I'm gonna do 12 days of Christmas vlogs. So only 12 vlogs leading up to Christmas. My birthday is on Christmas and it's gonna be my 21st birthday. So it's definitely gonna be a really fun year to celebrate this year for my birthday. And normally I keep things just like really chill on my birthday and I'm just like with family. But this is the year I can go and do stuff. So I'm excited. I do have footage from when I went home during Thanksgiving break that I wanted to show you guys that I felt like would be kind of important. So when I come home winter break, you already know kind of the vibes and what's up. So I'm gonna play some of that for you guys. We are going home for the week. It's Thanksgiving break. I wanted to bring you guys along because I'm going back to a new house. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process of seeing my family and my dogs again, and then having a fresh start for a bedroom. So you guys know I love interior design. I love setting up the rooms and doing all that. So it's kind of fun to have a fresh start to go back to. And I really like the room in the bathroom. You'll see when we get there. It's gonna be amazing. I am losing my voice right now just because I've had a crazy last like 2 weeks, honestly. So I think it's just catching up a little, but I'm all good. I'm healthy. I feel good. I'm gonna see you guys at the airport. Okay, I'm home in my new room. I'll give you guys the tour in a second. Right now, the important thing is surprising my dogs. My parents just took them outside to go to the bathroom. They have no idea I'm here. And I wanted to get their authentic reaction. Hi, baby. Oh no, can you not make it on the bed? Come here. There you go. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, careful, Aspen.
Little update. We went to a bunch of stores and ran a bunch of errands, me and my mom, to get hangers and just bathroom stuff. And then we had sushi for dinner, which was really good because I've been craving fresh sushi. And now we're finishing setting up my room, watching The Holiday, which is like my favorite Christmas movie. And my mom walked in with hot chocolate. And we're gonna light a Christmas candle. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, I'll see you guys later. It's really late. I don't know exactly what time it is. I fell asleep mid-movie. I unpacked like 7 or 8 big boxes and my room is starting to look a little bit more like a room, like homey, if that makes sense. I am in love with my bathroom. Let me just show you guys. It is so cute. Christmas pajamas. I know it's November, but like, why not start celebrating early? This is my bathroom. I just got this mirror today at Target and I thought it was like the perfect add-on. I like love the floor. I have a little guest section so my guests can hang out and they're right by each other. And these beautiful lights display so much. I had my camera in there. As you can tell, I literally haven't even put anything in yet. This is my shower. I'm obsessed with my shower. I want to put eucalyptus on here. Other than that, I'm really tired. I'll show you what my room looks like and then I'm gonna go fall asleep because I am beat. So this is what my room looks like right now. You walk in and there's my bed. I still have some boxes here of clothes. My favorite part of the room so far though is that. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I don't have my camera with me right now, but welcome to the new studio. Yeah, so this is where the new studio is gonna go. And I just moved in, literally the first set of boxes. And I'm planning on putting like the desk right here, the lights, and then having that as like the background. And then putting like an editing booth over here. and we can make some dreams happen. Good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning, and I am going to the Civil War game, the Oregon versus Oregon State Civil War game today with friends, and then staying the night in Eugene. So we have to get there early, so that's why I'm getting ready at 5:30 in the morning. But hey, I did it, which is impressive considering I only got 4 hours of sleep. 3 to 2 hours of sleep. I'm going with my best friend Rachel, and then our 2 friends Tyler and Grant. Alrighty, I'll keep you updated. Maris and I went to get coffee, and now we're making waffles with fruit. We're just making a big old breakfast. I'm less single. The struggle is real. We just played basketball, and I'm gonna get copyrighted for this music, so that's all you get.
So, I think I'm gonna do is just do a whole bunch of different takes of you just walking.
Okay, you guys, I literally have all my editing stuff here, and I'm gonna sit in my living room and edit this and watch Are You the One with my roommate on Netflix. It's so good. I first put it on, and me and my roommate were kind of like, what is this? And I was like, do we change it? And then we were like, you know what, let's stick with it. And now we're 5 episodes in, and we cannot stop watching it. It's like another one of those reality dating TV shows, but I'm telling you guys, it is so dramatic and it's so funny. I think you should watch it. If you like reality TV, if you like Love Island, Bachelors in Paradise, all that, you should watch Are You the One, because it definitely has our attention span, even during finals where we're doing homework and watching and doing a bunch of other things all at the same time. So thank you guys so much for watching the first day of 12 days of Christmas of Vlogmas. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye, beauties.